Hey, what are all these birds doing in here? Look at all this. Look at this. Look at this. There's also a deer and an owl. Look at all this. Even one's up there. How can it be all the way up? How can it be? That bird is flying over the deer. How can I get them out? Can I just pick them off? This looks like a sticker. It won't fly. Let me see why. Hey, it's two-dimensional, that's why. Why? Hello? Hey, owl. Can you help all of the birds get out of this room? This is horrible. Hoot, hoot, hoot. I don't understand. There's so many of them. Now that owl touches, it's just a line. Yeah, now I can't see the owl. Yes, I can. No, I really can. I really can't. Yes, I can. I need to see part of it. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh my goodness, that scared me. Oh, that hurt. Ow, my knee! Birds, fly away! Through the blind! If you don't do what I say, that means you must fly out. If you do what I say, you can stay in here forever. Okay. Alright. Stop flying and land in the tree. Good job. Now, turn into a longbird. Good job. Now, turn into that other bird and start flying to the right. Good job. Now, fly the other way. Good job. Stand and look to the right. Good job. Now, turn into a a long bird flying. You're not flying? Alright, now fly out. Fly out, fly out. Even those trees are stuck there in a leaf. Take them out. I want a real leaf. Fly out. Go. What? Hey, I can't see the leaf. I don't see any green. There's no green in here. Maybe they will blow away when I turn the fan on to high. Let's go. This is the remote. Let's go. Hi. Hey, it's going the wrong way. The birds, that means they're going to go this way. That means it's going to take longer. Let's reverse it. I'm going to call it. Dizzying. Alright, now these birds have to go the other way since the fan's going that way. They're still not gonna move. I love nature. Now look at this. I need that deer to escape out of there. Because it's trapped. Oh, come Come on, fly out of there. Now. Now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Look at all those leaves. Look at all those leaves. Oh my goodness, this... Hey, it became darker. I don't see any birds anymore. Hey! They came back. Okay, it's black now. Hey, the birds are back. Hey, it's nighttime? Am I in the dark? No, I'm not. Alright. I don't want to see you again. I'm not going to see you ever again. No. I am never going to see you ever again in 3, 2, 1. I can't. Okay, I can't. Hey, you're still there? I don't want to see you. Now. Alright, now they're flying out. Wait. Are those my fingers? Fly out. Hey, stop it. I hate the shadow. Alright, now I can't see the birds anymore. Phew, these birds are not here anymore.